So the M5, we've got the M5 in all its glory.
M4.
Yeah, what's going on, guys? So today you're not on my GoPro because I've literally just got to where I want to record and the screen's dead. So I can't see what I'm recording and I can't change the settings. So we're on Kirstin's cam today. So I apologise if it's rubbish iPhone quality. So yeah, but we're here. So behind me is a glorious, well-built trailer sign. See, barely held together. But that's what we're here for today. Behind here is what we're here for. So I'm going to show you the abandoned M4, M32 junction truck. So let's go and have a look. So if you guys ever travel up the M32, so we're going towards Wales, you'll always see that on the left-hand side as you come up onto the motorway, there's a truck that's been sat there for, I mean, it could be 3 or 4 or 5 years. I've seen it up there a lot of the time, and I've always wanted to go down here. So here we are today to go and explore it. So let's get going. So here it is in its beauty. I think from what I can see, it is a DAF, and if you are interested in any parts, there is one fairly kind of functional indicator available. Yeah, look, it's mad. You know, if you look over here, you've got an electrical centre, and then over here, you've got the main railroad into Bristol as well. And it's just kind of like sat right up in the corner of this field. We'll just show you the field, so you can have a look. And, you know, I don't know, who knows why it's ever been abandoned or why it's been left here. It looks like what it was used for before. You can see down the side. Looks like it was some sort of old paint van that carried fire paint, it looks like here. So it would carry something that offers like protective coatings and linings for who knows what. But yeah, we'll do a little walk around. There's not much else to see, but we'll just show you this kind of little bit of abandoned history right near the motorway. Yeah, if you look, this is the back cab itself is quite rotten, but this itself is actually not too bad. You can see where someone's probably borrowed a headlight, a few other bits, but it's quite nice to see something that's quite intact. It's not too damaged. I mean, the rust on there is pretty bad, but yeah, it looks like it's fairly looks like I'm going to have to fight my way through a forest to get to the back of it, so we'll maybe have a look in a minute. But yeah, if you look inside the cab, it's really clean. So as we come around to the back, oh, look, there's an old workshop in there. Look, would have been an old workshop. So yeah. There's actually a whole pack of Desperados that aren't used. There you go, lovely. But yeah, what an interesting truck to have been left. Look, it looks like there's a bit of apple juice. There's some wire over there still. Look, there's still some wire over there. Yeah. So there's not much to see there, guys. I've got to be a bit careful. Ooh, it looks like there's some sort of bee's nest or something in there actually. I don't really fancy getting stung by that. That's a wasp actually. But yeah, here we are inside. Some wire in there. Some apple juice if anyone wants some apple juice. Yeah, there's the old workbench. There's definitely some sort of wasp nest in it because there's a few wasps buzzing around. But there we are. That is inside this old truck. And this is the view that you'll see when you're commuting past. You're coming up past here and you'll see this truck sat here in the field. So come and have a gander. So to conclude on the video, guys, I do again apologise potentially about the quality of the sound and the video of the iPhone. I'm sure it's very good, but obviously if it isn't up to standard you used to. I do apologise, but I'm going to finish here with this. Now, there's not a lot of places left in Bristol that you can do a little bit of mobile exploring. There's not a lot of things abandoned that are left in Bristol, so I feel like this is a great little timepiece. I've enjoyed coming up here today, and hopefully I've shown you guys something that you can come along and see for yourself before it disappears, or maybe some